Okay, hello, welcome to today's video. I finally sat down, I've got my ice cold lemony water, which is a firm favourite of mine. I'm a little out of breath and I'm always thinking, gosh, why am I out of breath? I'm so unfit. But then I also remember I'm 8 months pregnant, so probably going to feel like that at some point. How are you all? I hope you're all doing really, really well. I popped out this morning and I went to a charity shop. That's going to be a separate video coming this Sunday. And I also went to Homesense. First of all, it just felt so good to like do something normal. My day did start with something that I had to do, and that was a blood test. So that was fun. But luckily I'm kind of like doing okay with them at the moment. But the blood test centre where I went to was right next to a Homesense, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to go in, I'm going to have a little browse. There was some good stuff in. Not incredible just yet. I think because they've just opened, they're trying to get rid of so much stock that's kind of just sat there for the last however long. We've also got lots of clearance stuff, so if you want like clearance candles, clearance decorations, cushions, stuff like that, I would head down to Homesense. I did get a couple of other things I'm going to quickly run through now and just show you. And then I've got another like unboxing to do. I was sent this little mother and baby box and I didn't know I was going to receive it, but I'm so excited to see what's inside. So we'll go through that. How are you all doing? How are you doing now that lockdown has lifted? I want to have like a proper chat with you guys about it because I know so many people have mixed feelings. I saw two of my best friends yesterday. They came over, we sat in the garden. Luckily the sun was out. It was just such a glorious time. To just sit down with them both and just chat and laugh, and you know, with Lawrence, and all four of us just had such a great afternoon. It really made a difference to my mood, and I just feel like 100 stone lighter today. I just feel good, like teamed with going to the shops. I just feel so much better, but I know it's also actually incredibly overwhelming. We were actually saying yesterday when my friends were over, we were saying it's so hard for people to just slip back to normality. My thoughts at the moment are with people who are very much introverted, they enjoy their own company, and people that rely on staying inside to feel safe, because now it feels like there's like this undue pressure to go out and socialise or go out and do things, and you really don't have to. You really do not have to. If your vision of lockdown ending is just being able to go to the library or go visit your favourite bookstore or charity shop, then that is your end of lockdown celebration. Don't feel like you have to go out and organise things with friends. I feel like it's just such a weird thing that we're all going through. Yeah, just how are you honestly feeling about it? I'd love like honest answers to that. Me personally, I've really enjoyed having just like the last 2 days just doing normal things. It's really made me feel better, and as simple as they were, it's made me feel a lot better. If the light keeps changing, it's because we live in the UK, and 1 minute it's snowing, the next minute we need sun cream. And that is the truth. So I'll show you now what was in Homesense. Oh, by the way, yeah, if you're new, my name is Sophie. Feel free to subscribe. Thursdays I upload mainly homey type videos, so either a vlog or a pregnancy update or a baby update, or just like, yeah, a really homey, down to earth type vlog. Sundays and Tuesdays I tend to focus more on either taste tests, food hauls, meal planning, stuff like that. So if you also like that kind of thing, then yeah, come along, so feel free to subscribe. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up because it really does help my channel out, and let's just get into the little bits I wanted to show you today. Okay, I'll show you what I got in Homesense first, and then we'll do the little unboxing. So I only got a couple of things, not a massive haul. First of all, how gorgeous is this bag? They were giving these bags out for free today. I don't know why. They just said, these bags are free today, do you want one? I was like, hell yeah, because look how nice they are. There's these gorgeous springy, summery bags for life, and they're huge. I just flipping loved that. That was like such a bonus to my day. I'll show you the thing that obviously is sticking out and is huge. Way, look at this. Yes, I bought one huge Lego brick. No, I bought one of those Lego storage boxes. Now, I know this is so random, But first of all, Lawrence is obsessed with Lego. Lego to Lawrence is like what puzzles are to me. You know, taking his mind off things. They're like being a bit creative and just focusing in on something. So Lego's a huge thing for him. He also told me that apparently one of his relatives, he's got a whole bag full of Lego to come to this house. So I thought I'll get him a big massive Lego block. He said he'd always wanted one, even as a child. And I saw them in Homesense. Do you know, I wish I'd bought my nephew one, but I have a feeling he's got one. But they're in Homesense at the moment. They're official branded Lego. Cool. And there were 3 colours, yellow, blue and red. They're usually £25 and I paid £16 for it. So really not bad at all. I think it's a great find. I got the yellow colour because yellow's, I love the colour yellow. You know, baby on the way, and no doubt soon enough Lawrence will get the baby into Lego, and then there'll be plenty of reason for this Lego brick. He is over the moon with it. Yeah, that was a bit of a random purchase. I just saw it. It was the last yellow one left, and I thought if I don't get it, I'm going to regret it. I know I am. So I got it. I really want to know what your thoughts are on these. A Blemish Kit. I've never had one. They're like 5 different facial tools. Help with like bad skin, oils in skin, pimples or spots as I say, blackheads. Oh, luckily on the back actually it says what to do. So with the flat loops use on small to large blackheads. I wonder if it'll work. I don't know if this is going to work. I just saw it and it was £5 and I thought I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a go. I don't use too much product on my skin at all. 1, because I'm pregnant, and 2, I never really have. I don't like things that like burn your skin, hurt your face. I like very natural based products. But I do have this constant problem of like clogged up nose area and chin area. So I'm going to give this a go because it's not adding any products to my face, but it might help clear the skin a little bit more. I'll let you know how it goes probably over on Instagram just to see if I like it. Yeah, it was only £5. In the facial area, basically the cosmetic area, there were so many things on discount and on sale. So if you do want that kind of thing, get yourself down to Homesense ASAP. I also got, because can you go into Homesense or TK Maxx and not get a candle? I don't think you can. They did have sale on candles, but they were wintry smells, and I'm not here for the winter right now. I'm here for long live the summer. But this is, I normally go for the DW candles because they are the best. They didn't have any in that Homesense today, but they had lots of this from this brand called Purity Lab. It's called Unwind and Relax, and basically it's like a peony, jasmine style scent. It smells absolutely gorgeous. In fact, it might be like a rose smell. It just smells absolutely gorgeous, perfect for spring, summer. I thought the jar's quite nice as well, so I'm probably going to put it in the bathroom because it's quite like spa effect, and I can have like a little pumper session, maybe clear my skin. I don't like candles every day. I find the smell really overwhelming, but do you know what? It's so nice on a sunny morning to light a really florally candle. It's actually £6.99. And then I found this, which is really interesting. They had lots of these, so if you are looking out for some, because these things are really expensive online. 100% natural deodorant. It's from the brand Tisserand Aromatherapy. It's made in England. It's 24-hour deodorant, limited edition, no parabens, just basically very, very safe. I'm really funny about deodorants because it's like putting something on your skin that can seep in, and it's got parabens and scary perfumes in it. This is like a little roll-on, and I thought I'd give it a go. It was only £2.99. I mean, it smells really nice. It just smells like really nice soap. I got the Rose Iris, Pure Essential Oils. Completely vegan, cruelty-free. I'm really excited about that. I got the bag as well, which I'm very pleased with. So those are just a couple of bits I picked up from Homesense. You know, not loads, but it was really nice to mooch around. Now for the mother and baby box. This is actually from Glossybox, my favourite subscription. I know a few of you bought yourselves a Glossybox last month based off of my code. I'll leave my code on the screen down below. With a subscription with Glossybox, you can sign up for like a 1 month, a 3 month, a 6 month or a 12 month. But genuinely, if you just want 1 month's worth of a box, use my code and just sign up for the 1 month subscription, and you'll just get the money off, and you don't have to you know, commit to long term, I would say maybe treat yourself to the 3-month one, because I think you get a good idea of these boxes after about 2-3 months. Yeah, I just really like this stuff. I've never opened this. I am so excited. What's that? Everyday Organics Protect and Soothe Nappy Cream. Organic. I've never heard of that brand. Nappy cream, scented waters, bath soap, baby creams. They've got loads of stuff. If you're a mother-to-be, that's the brand you might want to look out for. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, there's lovely stuff in here. What's that? My Little Cocoa. Dermatologically tested. So I've heard of the brand My Little Cocoa. I really like the branding. I really like the colours, the fonts they use. Wow, it smells very natural. Newborns, babies, children, and even mum. My Little Everything Balm is for everything and everyone. The magical multitasker, miracle worker you can't live without. It's good for me and the baby. That's really nice. That is lovely. Aveeno Baby Daily Care Baby Gentle Wash. I love Aveeno products. With colloidal oatmeal for dry and sensitive skin. That looks sweet. Baylis and Harding antibacterial. I can put that in my new nappy bag. Mud Masky. Oh, I do like this brand. Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming. Reduces dark circles. Look how the lights just changed. Mental, isn't it? Reduces dark circles. I need this 100%. Eye cream. It's amazing, so I really needed eye serum. Cooey!
Hey!
How was Tesco?
Tesco was fine.
Yeah.
But, because obviously I completely forgot that at 5 o'clock people might now be coming back from home from work. And it was really weird. The roads were just super busy.
Packed.
Yeah. Just completely
weird, isn't it? Anyway, eye cream. Okay, it doesn't really have a smell at all. But I'll give that a go. I'll give this a go. We've got, oh, I've heard of this brand. Little Canin. Would you say Canin or Canin? Simple Love in a bottle. Fat cream with sesame oil. What is fat cream? It's a cream rich in oils that cover the skin and let no water get through. Apply 20 minutes before going outside. So is it sun cream? Also got Nurture Nourishing Skin Treatment Oil, formulated to nourish and help with appearance of scars, stretch marks or dry skin. During pregnancy I've got so much dry skin, it's mental. Good, full size product again. Amazing. If this actual box is on sale, I will publish it down below. I'll put the link down below because it's great. Okay, Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion. Dermatologist approve. It hydrates the uppermost layers of your skin. Wow. Oh, boob cream. If you watched my video the other day, you know I've been suffering like kind of sores under my boobs. Our pregnancy boob tube is clinically proven to increase skin elasticity and moisture to help protect growing breasts against stretch marks. Apply daily using gentle upward strokes. That's good. And it's from the brand Mamma Mio. It looks really nice, doesn't it? So yeah, we'll use that. And then we've got, oh my gosh, just so much. We've also got a leave-in conditioner, or one of those conditioning masks, a hair mask. So it's formulated with argan oil, shea butter, olive oil to help reduce breakage and lock in moisture for soft, shiny looking hair. Fantastic. This box is honestly worth so much money. Massive thank you to Glossybox. As I said, I'll leave the link and code down below. I just say treat yourself. I say treat yourself. Anyway, I'm going to end it there because my hay fever is just like starting to kick in. I'm sitting next to an open back door. But yeah, let me know if you do treat yourself. I really hope you enjoyed. On Sunday there'll be a charity shop haul coming your way, which I really hope you're excited for. The first in a very long time. And yeah, I hope you're all doing really well. I honestly do. And I'll see you again really, really soon. And I love you very much. Bye.